Alright, so here is the second Minka Aire Aluma Wet. I just filmed this one, so now we're going to move on to the long down rod one. So this is the same exact fan to the one that's over there. I'm going to demonstrate the same features and stuff and such. Excuse me. Uses the same exact remote control, if I can get it out of my pocket. Okay, there we go. Here it is. Minka Aire. You can see that air control. Here's the light. Dim and full brightness. Okay. And maybe. There we go. And I'll start this one off on low first too. Okay, that's low. Now medium. And this one seems to go a little bit faster. I am not sure why. Maybe it's used more, I don't really know. But yeah, they do pretty well in this cold weather. I expect them to be a little stiff, and they seem to warm up quite well. I'm noticing, if you look very carefully up there, there's actually some frost forming on top of the motor. So yeah, I'm sure it's pretty cold up there. And then here's high. Okay. That's high. Turn the lights on once again. Maybe. Okay. It's on. All the way. And shutting it off. And that is the second Minka Aire Aluma Wet ceiling fan. Thank you for watching.